All right, here is your solution to the MakeTags CodingBat question. And this is very realistic. If you've ever looked at HTML code or XML, it's often written this way where you have an opening and a closing tag and then some context between it. Like you might want this word to be italicized or something. But at any rate, this is HTML. Looks like this. Right, so we just got to build a big string piece by piece, starting with less than, then this tag, then the greater than, then the word, then these two things hard coded less than slash the tag again, and then the greater than, and then close it. So I would just start with like a new string, call it like string result, and then start it off with what we need at the beginning, which is just the less than symbol, and then just build on that. So after that, I need the tag plus the greater than symbol plus the word comes next plus the closing tag, the less than with a slash. And I might need an escape character here to do this. I'm not sure. I'm going to try it this way and then see. Plus the tag plus the closing or the greater than symbol. And that would be the closing tag. I think that's it. Just going to return that at the end. And hopefully that works. I might need an escape character there. Okay, looks like no for that's forward slash. You don't need it. And that's it. Hope it makes sense.